with confidence. When I got the roll like hips.
Hi guys, it's Faith here. So it's the Easter weekend and we're looking to explore some part of Queensland today. It's a very long weekend and I was hoping to get somewhere in Sunshine Coast or the Gold Coast, but I forgot I was in Australia and left my bookings until like a week to the Easter weekend, and guess what, there was no accommodation anywhere when I was ready, so we just settled for day trips. Today we'll be exploring Mt Tambourine. I've been to Tamborine a number of times, but this time we're going to explore the Skywalk at Mt Tamborine, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me. So if you're like me at this point and looking for day trips to go on with your family and your friends, you should definitely watch this because there are lots of things to do in Mt Tamborine and the Skywalk is just one of them. If that sounds like something you'd love to see, definitely keep on watching.
Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I get you? I've been just picking up.
Hey guys, Faith here. So we are in Mt Tamborine now and we're just going to find the entrance into the treetop walk or the skywalk. I'm not even sure what it's called now, but yeah, let's keep going and I'll show you things you can do when you come to Mt Tamborine. Look from here.
Cause we're flying for my brothers. Yeah, I got problems popping bottles.
So when you walk in, you can get your tickets just by the corner. There's a price list showing the different price ranges and you can get that once you're ready to start the walk. In the same area, you would find souvenirs in case you want to buy some. There were a lot of items to choose from. And on the other side, you would find someone doing a painting. This was beautiful. We also had a look at the ones on the wall, and guys, it does not come cheap, I must tell you. Just outside, there's a sitting area for you to have your coffee and pastries if you have any or if you buy any. And then once you're all done with that, you can start to head towards the skywalk. Just before you step out of the door, there's also a place for like information about birds and some Australian animals. Let's keep going, guys.
Popping bottles, 지하밤을 때가 소주 내가 미안하다고 I'm sorry but my mind too 난 아직 생각나 그러지 마 꼭 돌아와 Don't you ever say goodbye 또 애태우는 내 맘 문자 보낼지 몰라 Think about you all the time Baby 아프지 마자 tonight 전화하고 싶은 나 I've been sipping on the rocks On the wine let's just ride the life Yeah I've been just picking up pieces of you Yeah how can I I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I get you? 서로 좋아하는데 왜 안 된 걸까? 벌써 1년 지났지만 I ain't doing alright. 매일 생각해 I've been struggling like every day. 하루하루 지나도 난 여기 있는데 You remember all the times 여기까지 왔는데 사랑하고 살아 빠지고 너무 많이 지치고 힘든 매 Automatic kinda crazy 이제 떠날게 꿈에 나타나지 말고 나도 그렇게 해줄게 Picking up the pieces 그리워진 않아 이제 네가 행복하기만 바라면 baby today I've been just
If you ask me, I think that the walk was quite short, but it was totally worth it. Once you're back on ground, you will find the green arrow leading you towards the creek lookout, and then the red arrow will give you directions to head back.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to that I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe.
Also stop by this culture to take some really nice pictures.
Oh, maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I myself that it's okay, okay. 'Cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game, but I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever, I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you.
And that's the end of the walk. After the walk, we spent some time checking out the information area, which is quite interesting.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the way.
Once we were done with that, we spent some time looking at the souvenirs, and then we looked at some paintings again. For the paintings, we found the lowest prices between 400 to 500. There could be lesser prices, but the ones we saw were about 400 to 500. So if you're planning to buy a painting, be ready to spend some money.
Feel the hate that
And so guys, that's about it for the skywalk at Mt Tambourine. Next up, we headed to the gallery walk. I have a video about the gallery walk in one of my videos from Mt Tambourine, but I was looking forward to heading there again because I wanted to check out some shops, and I also wanted to go to my favorite gelato place. Like, that's the best gelato I've had since I've been in Brisbane. It's so sad that it's far away from Brisbane, but yeah, I was in Mt Tambourine and there was no way I wasn't going to stop by to get some gelato. So this is just the gallery walk. Driving through the gallery walk, we found somewhere to park and then we did a walk along.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
Yay, finally got to the gelato place and I was so excited, guys.
You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything is gone.
Which one do you want?
Cup.
Yeah, I'll have
And just great, I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction.
And there you have it, guys. 3 things you can do when you visit Mt Tamborine. First, go on the skywalk. Second, do some shopping along the gallery walk. And of course, get some ice cream and go home a happy child. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Need you here more than I would like to.